This morning in Riverton, demolition crews brought down the former Empire power plant building and its smokestack. Fox 14's Chris Warner was there and brings us the explosive details.
Crews from KCOM Demolition have been working for several weeks preparing the Empire District Electric Company's former Riverton power plant for demolition.
So here you see the guys, they are loading a column with a box. And the idea of the box is to help prevent the fragmentation from escaping a large area. You'll see the shape charges here with the dynamite here. The dynamite helps to displace the column from its current position and move it out about 3 to 5 feet so that the structure on top has an opportunity to fail and fall to the ground, which will allow the structure to tip over and maintain a smaller footprint.